Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some ginger, garlic, honey, butter chicken breast. Yeah, so that's my chicken breast there. And guys, I have two pieces, okay? As you can see, it already washed, it is clean. So these are all of my seasoning. I have Cajun seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. And it's 1 teaspoon, okay? And here I also have some butter, 3 spoonful of butter, okay? So that's my honey there, and it's 1/4 cup, okay? So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna season up my chicken breast. And guys, as you can see, I blend all of my seasoning together. Just make sure everything will all combine, okay? So after you blend all of your seasoning together, now you're just gonna take your seasoning and just sprinkle it all over on your chicken breast, okay? I'm just gonna turn it over on the other side, and I'm just gonna season it also. And make sure your seasoning is all on your chicken breast, because you want it to be nice and full of flavor, okay? So after you finish seasoning up your chicken breast, now you're just gonna take your hands and you're just gonna pat the seasoning right in your chicken, okay? Just as how I'm doing it. So my chicken breast is all seasoning, guys, and that's what it look like. You can always leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, okay? And guys, that's some of my remaining season that I have left. So as you can see, I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I had my butter. Guys, just make sure your stove is on a medium heat, okay? So you just want to wait for your butter to melt. So after my butter melt, now I'm just gonna add 3 cloves of garlic, chopped garlic, and I'm also gonna add some ginger to it. As you can see, I cut it up. I don't add a lot of ginger, guys, okay? You just want to give it a stir, and you're just gonna leave it to saute for at least 1 minute, okay? So after 1 minute, that's what it look like. And guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my remaining seasoning to my pot, okay? I just wish you guys was in my kitchen right now. That smell of the ginger and the garlic, guys, I'm telling you, it smells amazing. The aroma is just all over in my house. Trust me, it's absolutely delicious. So after you add your seasoning, you just want to give it a stir. Make sure everything will all combine together, okay? So now I'm just adding my honey. Give it a stir, of course. So you just want to allow it to come to a boil, guys, for at least 1 to 2 minutes, okay? No longer than that. So after at least 2 minutes, now I'm just gonna add some brown sugar. And I'm adding 1 spoon, okay? Give it a stir. So this is the fun part. Now I'm just gonna add my chicken breast. So after adding your chicken breast, now you're just gonna take that delicious sauce and just pour it all over on your chicken, okay? Guys, I'm telling you, it smells amazing and it look absolutely delicious. So yummy. It looks so good and it's not even finished yet. My God. And guys, you're just gonna allow it to cook for at least 15 minutes, okay? Just continue to just pour all that sauce all over it so it will become nice and juicy, okay? So after around 10 minutes, guys, that's what it look like. So as you can see, I just flip it over. And guys, as you can see, it is nice and golden. And that's exactly how you want it. I mean, look at that, guys. It just looks so good. And you're just gonna leave it for another 10 minutes. I know I did say 15 minutes, but it's actually 20 minutes total, okay? And guys, you can always cover your pot so it will cook through, okay? So guys, my ginger, garlic, honey, butter, chicken breast is all finished and that's what it look like. Guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good and it smells amazing. This recipe is a must try. Guys, please share it to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really, really, really appreciate it, okay? So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna cut it for you guys and show you how nice and juicy it is. I mean, just look at that. So yummy. And even though it's hot, I'm gonna try some for you guys. And guys, do not try this at home, okay? I'm used to it. Guys, it tastes amazing. I mean, honestly, it is absolutely delicious. It's so, so, so good. So I'm just serving it with some baked potato. Guys, you can always serve it with some rice, with some salad, mashed potato, whatever you preferred. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe for many other videos, and turn on your notification button so you can receive more videos like these. Until next time, bye.